Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Noval Amirul Akbar Arianto dari kelas RKP 2B pagi dengan NIM 4412301033. Okay, in this video, I will present about operational risk assessment ship construction, cost material import using host of risks or HOR, and critical chain project management. Case study in Gresik shipyard industry. The shipbuilding industry is an industry with specific characteristics and complex business environment, and it is one of industry with high risks and needs careful management. Generally, shipbuilders need such a long time to build a ship in the national shipyard, so they got difficulty to compete with other shipyards. There are 4 internal strategic factors to the process shipyard in management. In the new shipbuilding activities, those 4 internal strategic factors are shipyard management, technology process, product performance or quality and delivery time, and price over. Meanwhile, there are 4 strategic for external side, namely interim supply, quality and material specification, shipbuilding order, global barriers, and policies in maritime sectors. These factors greatly influence the advantage, competitive, and sustainability of national shipbuilding industrials. The problems had an important effect to the financial risks of shipbuilding companies, especially product performance factor and interim supply. Critical Chain Project Management, or CCPM, is a scheduling project focusing on completing critical chain project in a time, and buffer time was the way to change safety time to buffer time. Buffer time consists of feeding buffer and buffer project. Feeding buffer is buffer time connecting non-critical chain activities with critical chain activities. In addition, buffer feeding function is a spare time for delay of non-critical chain activities. The process of risk mitigation in material and manship components procurement use host of risks or HOR method to new shipbuilding project. Risk mitigation was used to the scheduling process by using CCPM method, and it allocate in the resource to support accelerate rescheduling project completing time, reduce cost, and improve company performance. Next, methodology. This research was conducted on September to December 2020 on one of shipyard in Gresik. Focusing of this study was assessing the risk delay in material procurement, especially import materials in a new shipbuilding project. The research design had several stages. 1. The research objective was the construction of new tugboat 2XX 100 to 1200 HP, especially in the material section. 2. Data collection was carried out with primary and secondary data, namely the data from the shipyard. 3. Data analysis was conducted with HOR and CCPM methods to determine risk assessment and risk mitigation. Risk analysis stage was used HOR method in phase 1. The stage of risk management used HOR in phase 2 and CCPM method. The conclusion is risk management result use host of risks, and in and it obtained 14 priorities of preventive action to the risk agent on a process of materials and import components delay in tugboat to 1,200 HP construction project. The reschedule results of materials and import components in tugboat to 1,200 HP construction, which use critical chain project management or CCPM method was reduction amount of the activity schedule duration about 50 from the initial activity schedule. Old schedule was 84 days and new schedule was 42 days after the research used CCPM method. To solve reducing schedule problems, the schedule was replaced by additional buffer at the end of each activity. The buffer function was as a buffer time from the end of each activity process. CCPM method called maximize time, which have been used as safety, and it could help speed up the process of materials and imported components arrival. Okay, so this is the reference, and thank you.